2004 Toyota Sienna. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats, rear bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, power side view mirrors, variable speed intermittent wipers. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.